So I'm making this quick little video because I was baffled by it. So I had to replace one of these head or tail lights. I didn't know exactly what was going on, so I went over to Napa after I took it out, and I guess this is called a grommet. The guy that was in line before me told me that's what those are. You know, it's important to know. And the gal that sold me the part I bought asked me if I needed a new one. I thought, no, I'll skip it because, you know, gotta try to minimize expenses at this point. So this is the one I'm replacing. I took it apart pretty easily. I guess you're not supposed to, but I thought I would have to get some kind of caulk or gasket seal or something. But that's what's burned out there. You can tell right there. But anyway, I guess they sell the whole unit. Here's the back if you want to know. They sell the whole unit as a replacement, which to me is kind of wasteful, but you know, they're going to do what they're going to do. And maybe it's just because the whole plastic gets faded, or I don't know, there's probably reasons I don't know about. So we're going to basically take that and put it in this and then reinsert it. And then something else to note is there might be some dielectric grease or something on there that I didn't get. But on the old attachment plug there's still quite a bit. I really lubed it out. So anyway, thought I'd drop that on you. It's something that you should learn about if you don't know already. But yeah, apparently the whole thing gets replaced. Because I was looking around for a replacement bulb in the aisles, and didn't see one direct replacement. Plus it looks like it's wired in a certain way. It's not replaceable. So alright, so hope that helps. Just another little informational deal. Alright, this is Military Industrial Museum. I'm trying to get this truck ready to get my library in SoCal. Alright, thank you much.